In this video, we will show you how to assemble your Fusion CST. Before you begin assembly, please be sure to read the assembly manual thoroughly, as it will contain important safety warnings and assembly tips. If any parts are missing from the hardware kit, or if any parts arrived damaged, please contact Freemotion Customer Care at the information below. To begin, unbox the unit, being careful not to damage or discard any separately packaged parts in the process. Using a second person, stand the unit upright, being careful when getting the unit off of the pallet and onto the transport wheel. Using a second person to hold the unit upright, remove the top tower cover and rear shroud. Next, have the person holding the unit tip it slightly to line up the holes for the leg assembly hardware. Once the holes align, proceed with tightening the hardware according to the sequence sticker included to complete the leg installation. To secure the tower arms, raise them and hold them in place, then install and tighten each of the M10 by 45mm patch screws. After installing the handles to the rope ends, inspection of each of the cable keepers is necessary to ensure there is no rubbing taking place. To do this, visually inspect each of the internal cable keeper components and verify none of the cables are out of alignment. To test the unit, plug the AC adapter into the machine side first, then into the wall outlet. Once you see the display power on, raise the resistance to its highest setting, then pull each of the handles repeatedly. This is to ensure that there is no abrasion happening between the resistance mechanism, the flywheel, or any of the pulleys. Assuming the unit is working properly, you'll then unplug the unit, then install the rear shroud and top tower cover respectively. This concludes the assembly video. For further assistance with assembly, operation, or other inquiries, please refer to the contact information slide at the beginning of this video.